Alright, so this is the idea, and we're going to go ahead and get the first layer of resin done. So it's going to coat the bottom, get these all in place, but it's not going to come up very high. This will be 2 different pours. That way I can control where these guys end up. Our resin is warmed up. Now we're going to go ahead and mix up. First batch is going to be 6 ounces. So this is 100 milliliters. So we're going to fill up to the 90, which is approximately 3 ounces, is 90 milliliters. Alright, the resin is all ready. Go ahead and prep our mold. It's already cleaned, but silicone mold release. This helps your silicone molds live longer. The more stress you put on trying to get out an item, the weaker this becomes and the less life it has. So even though the resin does release from it, this just helps it along. Alright, so I am going to pour in just a little bit of on each one, and yes, I'm only making 4 for this set. Alright, the resin I use has a 40-minute work time. Of course, you know, ambient temperature and moisture and volume that you're doing will slightly change that. But I like this one because with the 40 minutes or thereabouts, I can be able to create what I want without being completely rushed. What I'm doing right now is running the silicone stick around the edge to release any bubbles that may get trapped on the edge. Sometimes they don't like to release, and then they leave a little pock, and it's kind of a pain to fix. It is fixable, but it's just kind of a pain. So there. So that's in there. Now we'll go ahead and set these in the way we want. I'm building this one from the bottom up, so the top of it is going to be the top of the coaster. So I want these facing upward. main thing I want to do here is get the resin over top of these so they can help fill in the air bubbles that might happen. Get those sealed up before I do the top pour. That way we don't have any air bubbles that will come through. In theory, that should work. First time I'm using them in a mold, so we'll see how it actually works. Now there's the first layer, nice and set, nice and hard. It did coat very well. So now we're going to go ahead and do the second layer, which will bring it up and over everything, cover everything nice and neat, and give us a nice smooth surface. So same thing, we're going to mix up our resin. It's already been in the warm bath. This time we're going to go ahead and do just a little bit more. And so I'm going to fill this all the way up, which is the 100 milliliters with both of them, which is just over 3 or 6 ounces total. Well, there you have it. 2 of them turned out really good, and 2 of them bubbled. So we're going to see if we can fix that right now.